All parties Hurriyat Conference has urged the United Nations to invoke the Security Council resolutions for the settlement of the decades-old Kashmir dispute. APHC spokesperson Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar in connection with the Kashmiris' Right to Self-Determination Day, January 5th, said that the occupied Kashmir continued to remain under military and the police siege, especially since 5th August 2019, when the India revoked its special status. Modi regime is plotting to deprive the Kashmiris of their identity and motherland in occupied Kashmir. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said that the Bharatiya Janata Party ruled India is hell-bent upon converting the occupied Kashmir's Muslim majority into a minority. A review meeting was held in Muzaffarabad today with the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Kashmir chapter convener Ghulam Mohammad Safi in chair to review the preparations for the rally to be held in Muzaffarabad on 5th January, Right to Self-Determination Day. The meeting was informed that a historic rally will be held in Muzaffarabad on 5th January on Right to Self-Determination Day. Member of the Indian Parliament and National Conference leader Agha Ruhollah Mehdi has reiterated his unwavering stance on the restoration of occupied Kashmir's special status under Article 370. Agha Ruhollah Mehdi, taking to microblogging site X, said that he is ready to participate in a protest in New Delhi seeking statehood to the occupied Kashmir. Chief Minister of Occupied Kashmir Umar Abdullah has said that the hybrid model of governance in the territory is not to anyone's advantage and the systems work better when there is a single center of command. Umar Abdullah told the reporters in Srinagar that if the dual centers were effective tools of governance, they would have been everywhere. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Kashmir chapter senior leader Mohammad Farooq Rahmani has condemned the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah's malicious intentions to rename Kashmir with Maharishi Kashyap.